Hi, this is Sasi. I'm part of V5 Vineyards. We live in Bay Area and the property is in Sunset, which is almost 2 hours drive. So we wanted to have as much automation so that we can remotely monitor what's happening at the vineyard because nobody lives there. So we put Wi-Fi devices to control as much as we can. And TankScan was very helpful because they operate on cellular, even though we have Wi-Fi, which is not having enough strength at the place where we have the tank. TankScan, we were able to monitor through our phones wherever we are, and we could immediately find the leak and stop it. Before that, we have to wait for 48 hours. With the TankScan, we could immediately see and have someone go up there and shut the valve so that we don't leak water. It was an amazing product, and I really appreciate the support they have and the product itself. Thanks.